Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that you might have in your drawer or your backpack, a USB flash drive. You know, those small devices that you can use to store and transfer files. Maybe you think they are useless nowadays because you have cloud storage or other options. Maybe you are thinking of throwing them away or giving them away. But wait, don't do that. Because I'm going to show you how you can use your USB flash drive as a key to lock and unlock your folders on your computer. Yes, you heard me right. You can use your USB flash drive as a key to protect your folders from unauthorized access. How? By using a simple and free software called Folder Lock and Key. Folder Lock and Key is a program that lets you lock and hide any folder on your computer with a password. And the best part is, you can use your USB flash drive as the key to lock and unlock the folder. That means, only when you insert the USB flash drive into your computer, you can access the folder. And when you remove it, the folder becomes locked and hidden again. Sounds cool, right? Well, it's very easy to use too. It only takes one step to lock a folder, and one step to unlock it. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to download Folder Lock and Key from their website. I'll put the link in the description below. Then, you need to follow the instructions on how to install it on your computer. Don't worry, it's very fast and simple. I have made a video to show you the installation method in detail. You can watch it after this one. Once you have installed Folder Lock and Key, you can right-click on any folder that you want to lock or unlock. You will see an option called Encrypt Folder. Just click on it and select which USB flash drive you want to use as the key for the folder. The app will automatically create a key in the USB flash drive for you. You don't need to enter any password or remember anything. That's it. Your folder is now locked and hidden from view. You can see that it's no longer visible in the File Explorer. In fact, it's been converted into a .enc file, which is a special encrypted format that only Folder Lock and Key can recognize and open. To unlock the folder, just insert your USB flash drive into your computer and right-click on the .enc file again. You will see the same option called Folder Lock and Key. Just click on it and your folder will be unlocked and accessible again. You can see how easy and convenient it is to use Folder Lock and Key to protect your folders with your USB flash drive. You don't have to worry about losing your files or someone snooping around your computer anymore. You can keep your private and sensitive data safe and secure with just a simple device that you already have. So, don't throw away your USB flash drives yet. They can be very useful and powerful tools for your security and privacy. If you want to try Folder Lock and Key for yourself, just go to their website and download it for free. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Thank you for watching and see you next time.